Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's bed. You may need to raise the frame slightly to create clearance between the axle and leaf springs and their respective bump stops. Step 3. Hold the Rustbuster frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Cut roughly 3/4 of an inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail, including the bump stops. Ensure you do not damage the bump stops as they will be reinstalled later. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area. Spray the work area with Walt-Through primer and slide the frame section onto the frame. C-clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 6. Reinstall the bump stops, then paint them. Lower and reinstall your truck's bed. Now, get back out on the road.